Should we optimize towards ACOS, tacos, profit, or market share? Hero ASIN has 38% ACOS. That's not bad, but it is gaining share. That's good. Mature ASIN has 18% ACOS, but no growth. Okay, a couple things you could look at. Which metric should you focus on? I'm going to say all the above. And you're like, but which one is it? It's kind of like flying a plane. So I flew to California a couple weeks ago. Flying is kind of in the back of my brain. When I first come in, I was like looking, checking all this stuff before we get set up. And there's, tons of dials and gauges and buttons. They don't just say, for this flight, we're just going to focus on altitude. We'd crash. For this flight, we're just going to focus on this one little thing. There was a tragic case in the 1970s, I believe, where there was a plane, there was a light that was on, and they were like debating whether or not it was accurate or not. Like they were really worried about this. So you had, I believe in there at the time, the captain, the first officer. Back in the day, they had another one called a flight engineer. So there's 3 in there. And I think there was even a 4th person in there, like a 4th pilot. Like, I don't know if they were relief or jump seating or whatever they call it. 4 smart people that should know what's going on. They're all obsessed, apparently in the recording, of this one little light. Like there was other ways to handle this, but they're all like so focused on this light. They missed the fact they were losing altitude and the plane crashed, I think in the Everglades. So tragic. That should never happen. It's kind of the same thing in your business. If you just focus on like one thing, like one metric, you're missing the big picture. So in order to fly a plane, you got to worry about your speed, your altitude, your direction, like where are you going? With PPC, you got to worry about a lot of things. Is it, your cost per click, your ACOS, your tacos. Your ACOS is kind of how profitable are your ads. Your tacos is it contributing enough? Because if you have good tacos, but not so good ACOS, that's okay. Because you're paying for contributing towards a good organic ranking and you're getting good organic sales, which is offsetting your cost for ads. Because if you start to pull the gas off of your ads, that'll probably hurt your organic ranking. Tacos and market share are somewhat of cousins. Profit is going to be driven by ACOS and tacos. So all of them together. I wouldn't say optimize just for one, because if you just optimize 100% for profit, you'll probably miss out on some growth. If you optimize just for ACOS, you're probably optimizing just for profit and you're missing out on some of your market share because you're taking your foot off the gas. So they all kind of go hand in hand. So you can't just say like, oh, this is the one metric I'm going to optimize towards. You have to just kind of, are you heading in the right direction? It's not just left and right. It's yaw, pitch, up, down, kind of like an airplane. So you're looking at all these different directions, all these different metrics. But the metrics you shared, I would say are all good ones. Tragic example for Miami, if they spent more time on, airspeed and altitude and direction as opposed to this one light. But you know what I mean? Like a lot would have potentially changed. So it could be a big impact in your business if you start just focusing on one number at the risk of everything else.